Yeah, man, SR boss, I represent for Jamaican Baddest channel. I mean, alone in all the dark room.
The Glock a fling ball, we make this is a blast hot like pink wall. My dog, no light bulb cannot install. To Ross, you see it is a product team call. My dog, the little Wayne Birdman cannot involve.
Wagwan, my people, bless up everybody. Welcome back to Jamaican Chat. And you don't know, thanks to God, so we have life. And for all of my people, I beg you to like that video here, share, and subscribe on that video here, my people. Alright, you know, don't see what go on. Chronicle a new tune with Nakis, my people. Mad tune. Here so it a premiere, everybody. Right here so it a premiere. I want to know, tell me how you feel about it. We're gonna make a vibe to it a little bit, and we're gonna come back and get in at the updates, my people. Very hot topic.
Now them a make one call. Boy dead, my rust splash pan wall. Forgive me Lord, it is not my fault. Why them want and it chop life mad. We kill them one from far. Head back slam night or 3 killer 3K when my God.
Alright, you say it a premiere. As me tell you no, Jamaican Chatter, we drop it first. So tell me what you think. Give us some comment section down below. Make Nakis, Chronicle and Sewa go and make them know say for sure about the tune, cause the tune hot. Alright, my people, and you don't see what go on. We're gonna get into the updates for now, and we have the topic at my people. But more I'm telling you, one Valiant, the man take over Washington Boulevard. Lock down Washington Boulevard, brawling motorcade, my people. When you don't see what go on the screen here, brawling motorcade, and I'm gonna just go and check out that vibe look a bit, and we're gonna come back and address the whole situation wherein Valiant had a show over in Antigua, and someone stole, a female stole one of his shirt. You understand? So Valiant speak about all of that, and we're gonna come back, my people. Just go and check out the motorcade. Mad event. Alright, so you don't see what go on. That's a good snippet of the motorcade. The man locked down Washington Boulevard, Kiara pass, everybody has stopped them and look. You understand? Big star there in the place. Alright, my people. So when you don't see what go on, the media are at up because a female wore one of Valiant shirt, and only can know is if you look on the screen right now, y'all will see we did this video the day that Valiant was flying out to Antigua, and this is the shirt that he wore, right? And then so the female here pose in the same, you understand, the same polo jacket basically. So that is causing a big upstir on social media. You understand? Because everybody say, yo, oh, she get Valiant shirt, a thief the G shirt, or you know she and Valiant sleep together or whatever. You understand? Well, Valiant speak out to all of that. Valiant say him never sleep with nobody, and she did a try to get close to him, you understand, but he never allowed her to. So basically what I see him say, she breached the man them security. She actually breached the diplomats them security and get the jacket and all of that, of which people make a be honest with you, I'm not say nothing wrong with that. You understand? Everywhere you go, you have groupies. You understand? Everywhere you go. I mean, for have groupies, it is a thing. It's a big thing. With thumbs up on them thing. That yo, give me some like button for that, man. Nothing wrong with that, my people. Many things shouldn't nothing wrong. She look cloud, she look whatever. But I mean, at the same time, Valiant is an artist. Any publicity is good publicity. You see what I say? But anyway, me go check out the thing what Valiant have to say about all of this, my people, and we're gonna come back.
So we don't know the girl from nowhere, you see it? A Jamaica we them, I don't know which part she come from. You see it? When we there at the place, I sleep, my artist asleep, remember say I'm DJ. You see it? And the girl let me see walk out in her dog clothes. You see me? I mean I say, yo, how the fuck you get the dog?
My Valiant this. DJ Biggie, Ford, this people over Antigua.
Oh, yeah.
So,
what am I saying now?
the girl robbed me and take my clothes. Then,
oh, yeah. The same.
I don't know her from
Yeah,
Adams. I
we
don't know her from Adams. This is a Valiant. I don't know her from Adams. I never yet meet the girl. She fuck my manager. The girl that try to fuck me. She try fuck me and me no want to fuck her. She want to have sex with me.
Alright, and that the artist have to say about that. You understand? And you can't hear my voice, so I don't know where I pray too hard. You understand? And I'm nothing. You understand? As I say, big up yourself, Valiant. Any publicity right now is good publicity. You understand? So yeah, somebody she like you, she thief your jacket, my boss. Nothing wrong. She get a one hype, she get a one clout, you understand? But anyway, my people, you don't see what go on. Valiant, new song, Rasta. It them a work pan in the background, and that song will be out shortly, my people. Check it out. Vibe. It mad, my people. Pick up on yourself. Jamaican chat. Alright, so I'm gonna jump off for the rest of the afternoon. Later on, mad show. I'm a scam, so you can check me early in the morning for them video, them people. Big up on yourself. Jamaican chat. I'm out.
You want to start the antics and show some artists badness. I mean, change up the game, just at me. Some flow with draw.